On the roof. Please give them a round of applause and don't forget to wave to our birthday boy, our little prince himself for today. Alright, we'd like to ask.
Ang bunsong anak ng mag-asawang Mark Pingris at Danica Soto na si Baby Jinlook 1-year-old na, ngayong araw ng Linggo January 14 ay masayang nag-celebrate ng ika-first birthday ang bunsong anak nina Mark Pingris at Danica Soto na si Baby Jinlook. Bagamat bukas pa sana January 15 ang kaarawan ni Baby Jinlook ay mas napili nga ng mag-asawang Danica at Mark Pingris na ngayon ito ipagdiwang kasabay ng binyag din nito ngayong araw. Isang engranding birthday celebration at baptism ang naganap kung saan dinaluhan ng kanilang pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay, kabilang sa mga dumalo ang daddy ni Danica Soto at lolo ni Baby Jinlook na si Vic Soto kasama ang mag-ina nito na si Pauline Luna at Baby Tali. Naroon din ang mag-asawang Oyo Soto at Christine Hermosa kasama ang kanilang mga anak. Mula naman sa mga nakadalo sa birthday celebration at baptism ni Baby Jinlook ngayong araw ay kanilang ibinahagi at ipinasilip sa publiko ang iilang video ng masasayang kaganapan sa naganap na double celebration. Narito panuorin natin ang iilang video mula sa kaarawan at baptism ni Baby Jinlook.
For today. Alright, we'd like to ask. Pick them up. Alright. Okay, good job. Stay over here. Good job. That is a point. Stay over here. Make one line. Good job. Oh.
Good boy. We love you, baby Luke. We waited for you for so long. And we love you, we love you. We're so happy. Nasama na namin kanina pag napanood mo to, Luke. Know that you are loved.
Yes.
You are such a joy. Bring so much joy in our lives. You are a blessing from God. We love you. Happy birthday!
Woo!
Later na. Later na daw. Okay.
Alright.
Hi, Mama! Ang ganda naman. Okay, Len, here's your...
That's Dadan!
Wow! Bye-bye! Where's the bye-bye?
Gini.